Does Python SciPy need BLAS? Which tar do I need to download off this site? I've tried the Fortrans, but I keep getting this error, after setting the environment variable obviously.
The SciPy webpage used to provide build and installation instructions, but the instructions there now rely on OS binary distributions. To build SciPy and NumPy on operating systems without precompiled packages of the required libraries, you must build and then statically link to the Fortran libraries BLAS and LPACK. Execute only one of the 5G77/Fortran/i4 commands. I have commented out all, but the Fortran which I use. The subsequent LPACK installation requires a Fortran 90 compiler, and since both installs should use the same Fortran compiler, G77 should not be used for BLAS. Next, you'll need to install the LPACK stuff. The SciPy webpage's instructions helped me here as well, but I had to modify them to suit my environment. Update on the 3rd of September 2015. Verified some comments today, thanks to all. Before running make LPACK edit the make.incorporated file and add flick option to ops and looped settings. If you are on a 64-bit architecture or want to compile for one, also add M64. It is important that BLAS and LPACK are compiled with these options set to the same values. If you forget the fix, SciPy will actually give you an error about missing symbols and will recommend the switch. The specific section of make.incorporated looks like this in my setup. On old machines, for example Red Hat 5, Fortran might be installed in an older version, for example 4.1.2, and does not understand option for cursive. Simply remove it from the make.incorporated file in such cases. The LPACK test target of the make file fails in my setup because it cannot find the BLAS libraries. If you are thorough, you can temporarily move the BLAS library to the specified location to test the LPACK. I'm a lazy person, so I trust the devs to have it working and verify only in SciPy.
If you need to use the latest versions of SciPy rather than the packaged version, without going through the hassle of building BLAS and LPACK, you can follow the below procedure. Install linear algebra libraries from repository, for Ubuntu. Then install SciPy. After downloading the SciPy source, Python setup.py install or, as the case may be.
On Fedora, this works. Remember to install LPACK Devil and BLAS Devil in addition to BLAS and LPACK, otherwise you'll get the error you mentioned or the numpy.distutils.system_info.LPACK not found error. I guess you were talking about installation in Ubuntu. Just use. That should take care of the BLAS libraries compiling as well. Else, compiling the BLAS libraries is very difficult.